obviously the high street gold, but also downtown red. The silver is very new, and a grey and a white. It makes it a very attractive palette. Altroz comes with 5 options, 5 variant options. You can see right from the base variants, safety is uncompromised. It comes in fully packed with safety, going up to the top trim, which is the dual tone roof. Prices have already been announced. It's just a reminder. We have gone with one India, one price this time. The base petrol starts from 5.29 lakhs, going up to diesel top trim of 9.29 lakhs. So within about 4 lakhs, you have many options between petrol and diesel. With the Altroz, we also launched
with India's safest cars ever. We made Techno with the famed 1-3 words, the micro-location spotter. Drive pleasure is new, because today we're driverless cars. And the crew has a totally new style game. Plus, you're sure to get the right kind of tan. But we're not about being new just for today. New is truly on point when new is made every day, non-stop. Today's new is just the beginning. We are a new world of cars from Tata Motors.
Press conference here. Thank you everyone for joining us for this amazing launch, and request you to please proceed to the dinner area. Here. Thank you everyone for joining us for this amazing launch, and request you to please proceed to the dinner area.
Okay, my name is Vivek Srivatsa, Head of Marketing Tata Motors. I'm here in Bangalore to launch Tata Altroz, first entry into the premium hatchback category. It's a very special car for us because first time we are getting into premium hatch segment, and we call it gold standard of premium hatch because we think whether it is design, whether it is safety, whether it is technology, whether it is driving pleasure, or whether customer delight, the Tata Altroz is the best. I'll start with safety. It is India's safest car when it was crash tested 10 days back in Germany in GNCAP, 5-star GNCAP rating, which is the safest a car can get. It is the only hatchback in the premium hatch category to have a 5-star GNCAP rating. In fact, other competitors do not have any rating. In terms of technology also, it is very high. It has BS6 engines, both petrol as well as diesel. It comes with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay technology, and a 7-inch touchscreen, which is very advanced. It comes with full flat floor at the rear, so rear passenger space is very comfortable. The doors, as you saw, 90-degree opening doors, so that all 4 doors open 90 degree, so that customer can get in, get out wearing traditional clothes. Slightly aged customers can get in and get out very easily. In terms of boot space, it is the highest in the category. In terms of fuel efficiency also, it is very competitive. So we are very confident that Altroz, most important in terms of design and looks, it takes a Impact 2.0 design theme from Tata Motors. As you can see, very futuristic looking car, and we are confident Bangalore customers, Karnataka customers will love the car.
Thank you. So what is the mileage and also?
Mileage, we'll share it on the press note, but very competitive in mileage. The starting price is just 5.29 lakhs, so we have priced it very, very attractively, and hope that Bangalore and Karnataka customers love the car.
Thank you. Thanks.